Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up oxygen in your aquarium. Maintaining adequate oxygen levels is crucial for the well-being of your aquatic inhabitants. Fish need dissolved oxygen to breathe, and insufficient amounts can cause significant stress, making them susceptible to disease. We will explore simple, effective steps to ensure your tank has plenty of oxygen, creating a healthy and vibrant home for your fish. One of the most common and effective ways to oxygenate your aquarium is by using an air pump and an air stone. First, connect your air pump to an air stone with a length of air line tubing. Position the air stone at the bottom of your tank. When the pump is on, it will push air through the stone, creating a steady stream of fine bubbles. These bubbles rise, agitating the water surface and promoting essential gas exchange. Your aquarium filter also plays a significant role in oxygenation. Ensure your filter's output is directed towards the water surface, creating noticeable ripples and movement. This surface agitation is key to dissolving more oxygen into the water. Some filters come with a spray bar attachment, which helps distribute the water flow more broadly across the surface, maximizing the area for gas exchange. Aim for gentle but consistent surface disturbance. Live aquatic plants are natural oxygen producers, releasing oxygen into the water during the day through photosynthesis. Incorporating a variety of plants can significantly boost your tank's oxygen levels. Additionally, good tank maintenance is vital. Overfeeding and decaying organic matter consume oxygen, so keep your tank clean and avoid excess food. Always observe your fish. If they are gasping at the surface, it indicates low oxygen and requires immediate attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.